Hello guys, in this video I'm giving you a room tour. I'm here at the moment in Phuket, Karon, and it's low season. The prices have significantly dropped and you get now so much nice apartments for a really reasonable price. So the price are at the moment half price from the high season, which is from December to April, and now the low season started, everything is half price. So that's what you get for 700 euros a month. So this is the entrance kitchen area. There is a huge fridge and lots of storage room, plus kitchen utilities, then a kitchen table, plus a nice lamp, and then there's a huge queen size bed also included, and some wardrobe where you can put in lots of clothes. Here we see a nice working desk. We have a nice view on the green scenery, plus also a nice sea view. Of course, there's also a nice sofa, plus a television, air condition. And here we have a small whirlpool as well, and an amazing view from the balcony. And it includes also this pool, which you can see in the right side here, and also a condominium gym, and the view is really amazing. So this again the kitchen area from another perspective. So it's a really beautiful apartment, and this is the bathroom with a very nice big shower, toilet, and a nice lavabo. This is the very beautiful community pool with an amazing view. And here we have the gym, which also have an amazing view on the nature. Yeah, as you can see, it's really amazing what you get now for the money. So in the high season, for the same apartment, I would have paid like 1,400 euros a month. And now it's a fraction, it's only 700 euros. So you get so many beautiful apartments like this in different areas at Phuket, like in Karon or also Kamala Beach. So it's a really good time to come in the low season. The prices are low, weather is still nice, there's still some sun, but it's also raining. But if you stay longer time here, it's really worth.